sit down to eat with me. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you can get future notifications every time the roommates drop a new video. Enjoy watching. Now let's eat. Hey Roomie, how you doing? If you're new, welcome. And if you've been here a while, then you know it's time for the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. This is some good chicken. I sort of bit off a little more than I could chew. So roomies, how you guys doing? What's the weather like where you're at? Because today in Chicago, it was a real nice day. It looked like it was going to rain, but luckily I got out from outside before it could even rain. So roomies, today, it was real nice in Chicago. It was probably like 75 degrees today. It wasn't too hot at all. It looked like it was gonna rain, but it didn't rain. So let me tell you guys what I'm having. I got the AP's family meal from Chef's Kitchen. I got 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 chicken legs, and I got the wings. And I got my sides, mashed potatoes and gravy, mac and cheese, and I got potato wedges, and then I got the Hawaiian rolls that come with it. I've been waiting all day for this. I also got, I believe this, at Jewel, they had a sale on Sweet Baby Ray's on the brand. 2 for $3. You cannot beat that type of sale. Now this sauce right here, this is the creamy buffalo wing sauce. And then I got another one that's called Ray's Secret Sauce. I've never had this, so I can't wait to try it. It probably might taste like the signature sauce, if anything, like how they have at Wendy's. Check it out, you guys. This is the buffalo sauce on the chicken. I can't wait to see how it tastes. That is good. If I get lucky, I might find one of them wishbones in this chicken. And not to mention, this meal also came with a drink. It came with a Coke. The Coke, if you ever guys want to do this meal, is how big the Coke is that comes with it. Almost forgot where my spoon was. Now let's try the mac and cheese and see how that is. I was wrong about the mac and cheese. I thought this was gonna need salt, but it actually is perfect the way it is. Now let's try these mashed potatoes and see how they taste. Look at that, roomies. Y'all could have the first bite. Now it's my turn. That gravy is good. It's got the right amount of salt and everything. It kind of reminds me of stuffing. Like, it kind of has that flavoring like stuffing would have. So Roomie, I like love chicken to the point I should be the chicken monster. Like out on Sesame Street, they got the Cookie Monster. I should be the chicken monster. Because I love chicken. That chicken is just too good for words. Now, I think I might dip this bread in the gravy and see how that tastes. I just made a mess. This Hawaiian bread with gravy just go hand in hand. So what you're doing is you're mixing sweet with salty. That's always a good combination. Now let's try this secret sauce. I wonder why it's called secret sauce. We will never know because it's a secret. I think I'm gonna try it on I'll try another piece of chicken. Another half. Okay. I know what it is now. The secret sauce is a fancy name for Chipotle sauce. Because it tastes just like Chipotle sauce. It don't taste no different. It's got that little spicy kick to it. I think I might add a little bit of salt to my mashed potatoes. You guys, gravy and mashed potatoes just go hand in hand. It's like peanut butter and jelly. I wonder how the secret sauce is going to taste with these potato wedges. The sauce is good, the potato wedge need a little salt. So it's like eating fries. It's kind of like eating fries with no salt. But I do love potato wedges. Eating this dinner is like all you could eat buffet for me. Now we're gonna go for the chicken wings. And of course the buffalo sauce is the most appropriate choice to go with our chicken wings. We're gonna see how that tastes. Now that is delicious. I feel like I'm in heaven. Because chicken wings is one of my favorite foods. Chicken wings and seafood. They fall under not the same category, but pretty close. Because I always love eating the skin of the chicken, especially when it's fried. Now, the chicken leg. I think with this one I'll do the signature sauce. Or no, not the signature sauce, the secret sauce. I always get those confused, because they both got S names. Look at that, you guys. Look at how delicious that looks. Y'all could have the first bite. Now it's my turn. I just tore up this chicken. The chicken is so good, I almost forgot about the macaroni. Look at all of this cheesy goodness. Look at that. You want some roomies? Go ahead, you can have some. There we go. It's like cheesy heaven in your mouth. Now, the one that I haven't tried yet was the baked chicken. Look at that. We're gonna do the baked chicken with the buffalo sauce. Y'all get the first bite of that. Now it's my turn. Y'all, I'm just a mess. I just got buffalo sauce on my nose. That's how good that chicken is. Now, as you can see, Amber does not like to waste food. I always eat the meat off of the bones. Half the time when I be eating chicken, I can't tell the difference between the meat and the fat. But I do like this dark meat. This is good. Now, if you guys ever go to Jewel, you gotta try the chicken. It is honestly amazing. Although chicken will make you thirsty. We got the gravy bread, look at that. That gravy is just too good for words. This has got me speechless. So today when I was at Jewel, you guys, I was thinking about the good old days when I used to work at Jewel. And I was thinking, what it'd be like to work there again. Although I think I'd enjoy it more just because it's a fresh start. And plus, I didn't go to high school with nobody from the Jewel that I go to now. The people are really nice there. It's always good service. And my favorite thing was the employee discount. Because when I was working at the Jewel, in my old neighborhood, they had something called the preferred card. And the preferred card was that you get 15% off anything you buy. That was an amazing deal. I think Jewel is really trying to compete with Pete's Fresh Market. Because they've gone down a lot in prices. I was surprised. Like, they have like a bunch of sales going on. Last bite, you guys. Go ahead, Roomies. You get the first of the last bite. Now it's my turn. I bit off more than I can chew, and now I got a mouth full of macaroni. That was a good meal. I just felt like I had a Sunday dinner. Like, back when I used to, back when me and my family would have dinner at my grandma's, Sunday dinner was never a dull moment. Well, roomies, I had a lot of fun eating and talking with you guys and sharing the experience of how good this food is. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you can get future notifications every time the roommates drop a new video. Thank you all for watching. Peace out, y'all. We love you. Don't forget to live, love, and laugh. Bye.